Joining us today is Priyamani. Of course, she needs no introduction. She is the one who brings beauty, intelligence, perfection every time she is on the screen, small, big, everywhere. Priyamani, thank you for your time. And you were at IFA 2024, a big event.
Yes.
First time, five languages together. These are like different industries, blending together. Is that a great message that's being sent out?
Yes, of course. I mean, all this while we've just been having, IFA
Yeah.
and then IFA Utsavam or any other, film-related event would be separate for the Hindi and separate for the South. But I think this time, having all five together, I think sends out a big message that we are one and we always are one.
Right, and Shahrukh is also here, and so is Priyamani. Is there some magic that's being woven for the viewers?
I seriously don't know, but you never know, anything can happen at any time.
Right, right. We have some, best truth or dare questions for you. We've taken truth, so we're being very kind to you. All right. Who was the last person that you actually searched on Instagram?
Oh. I actually searched on Instagram. I mean, you mean today or just today? I think it would be a friend of mine she's a designer and she's from Kerala. Her name is Purnima, and she's got a brand called Prana by Purnima. So I was looking at her stuff.
Okay. What's a relationship deal breaker for you?
If the person's not honest, truth, I think that's a deal breaker for me.
A secret you've never shared with anyone, but maybe you would like to share at IFA 2024.
See, my life is an open book. Yeah, I don't have any sort of such secrets. I mean, everybody knows everything about me.
Right. First celebrity crush.
Okay, so when I was younger, I had a huge crush on this cricketer called Jonty Rhodes
Oh, yes.
and Adam Gilchrist.
Oh my
So
God.
they're my all-time favorites.
All right. If you were going on a reality TV show, which one would it be?
Any dance-based show, but I wouldn't like to be a part of you as a contestant.
As a contestant, yeah.
No.
Okay, as a judge?
Dance-based show.
All right. Your biggest insecurity?
I don't think I'm insecure.
Okay.
I think I'm fine where I am.
Okay. 5 years down the line, what's that one thing that you would like to change or that you would really want to add to your life?
Oh, good question. I don't know. I don't know where I'm going to see myself 5 years from now, but probably in a happy and safe place. Nice, happy place with family and settled, happy.
One song which is on your on repeat playlist right now.
At this point, it's Manasalayo from Rajni sir and Manju Warrior, Manju Chechi's song.
Okay. Have you ever gotten into trouble while you were at school and you never told your parents?
Lots.
What did you do?
Oh, I forged my mother's signature on the report card. Yeah. I've copied. I've done lots.
Okay, what else? There's some great secrets out now.
I have my biology practical, physics, biology and chemistry practical records used to be like empty. So I used to copy from my brothers because he was 2 years older. He's 2 years older than I am. And he studied in the same school. So the syllabus is the same, right? So I used to copy all his stuff. And his books were preserved for me. So I used to just take it and copy it. Yeah.
What's your love language like?
I think for me is words of affirmation. Yeah.
Do you have a celebrity look like? Do you ever feel that there's somebody who looks like you?
I don't know. I think you guys have to tell me that.
You've seen some on Instagram, but not really a celebrity. Have you seen any of your lookalikes ever on Insta? Or
I did, but there have been some people who have said, oh, she looks like you, and I've just said, okay. I mean, I'm happy that people are saying that they look alike. The said person looks a lot like me, so I'm happy.
But lookalike apps are now sort of a danger, like AI generated face apps. Is that a danger?
It is. I mean, see, digital. See, we've always said digital is the next. It is the next thing in India, right? But I would just say, if you use it properly, carefully, I think it should be okay. But there are chances of it being misused.
Yes.
You never know.